After seeing the possibilities horticulture held for innovation and technology, Sam Adams made the move into the industry from a livestock background. It's one he hasn't regretted, taking up a role as field officer for Qualipac, packers, producers and suppliers of fresh produce, headquartered in the Lockyer Valley in Queensland. The business predominantly produces broccoli, pumpkins, onions, sweet corn and cabbage on around 800 hectares, as well as sourcing produce from external growers.
You know, horticulture is an innovative industry and it is very exciting to be a part of. I think the scale, especially that Qualipac is operating on, and the potential for growth and looking at new options and different ways of doing things is quite engaging for a young person and to really get involved in what's happening.
Sam's role allows him to explore the potential of the latest technology for the business, with one of his main projects being a new app.
Initially we're using it to help roster the people and to move the data between the office and the people themselves, and then of course the paddock data back, but we're going to roll that out across the paddocks as well so we can keep track of what we're doing in the paddocks. The other innovation we've been doing at Qualipac, and some of which has started before I came on board, was the use of different irrigation technologies. So the most exciting I find is the corner arm pivots. So by using that we're able to pick up quite a fair bit more irrigatable area. And then of course by sort of using the GPS technology and the variable rate technology, you can sort of really pinpoint what water goes into what soil types and what crops.
Spend any time at Qualipac and it's clear soil health is a priority. Sam explains how the business takes a long-term view of soil health by generating information about the state of their soils.
We're using a few pinpoint soil tests, tissue tests, so we can see what the plants are using relative to what we're feeding them. We're spreading out our fertiliser program a bit as well, and I've been looking into some new fertiliser ideas to help promote a healthy plant and to utilise what nutrients we've got in the ground without necessarily adding more mineral fertilisers. Qualipac's been working with Hort 360 predominantly on the soil management side of things. So we've been looking into how we can better utilise fertiliser efficiency, crop efficiencies, water efficiencies, and then of course that's leading into your yield benefits, nutrient runoff, and just sort of how we can sort of really tighten up that whole program from an environmental perspective and a financial perspective. I think over the coming years the programs like Hort 360 will become increasingly more important, as we are sort of faced with shortages of the various resources, and these sort of programs will definitely help guide the way through those sort of challenges.